In this video, we're going to show you how to create a serial number using your Patmark Windows Based Software for your Patmark and Patmark-Mini unit. First select Field 1 and then click Serial. To create a serial number, we need to understand the different formats that Patmark allows. We keep it very simple in the sense that it is the max value of your serial numbers. In the end, we also have the ability to count up alphabetically if that's what's needed in the application. Now we can work on our text. We are going to create a set of static characters and then select our format. And in the max value, we'll notice that it matches our format of 99, our present value of 0. Then we can work on our reset. We're going to have it reset at the max, but you can at the end of the year, end of the month, end of the day, at a specific time, at the end of the shift, or stop, which will cause an alarm to go off and be reset by the user at the max value. We also have repetition, which will repeat the serial number X number of times, or skip, which allows it to go every other, every third, every fourth, and so on. Once we have our settings finalized, you will notice in Field 1 we have our static and our dynamic characters ready to go. Now we can work on our placement. For our Y, we're going to change that to a 12 and our X to 0. Height, we're going to move to 4mm tall characters with a pitch of 3.5. And the width we're going to leave at 60%. Force we're going to change to a 3 and quality to a 7. Now it's time to mark.